Do not throw away these bags. When you see what they can do, you'll keep them like gold. Silica bags. We usually get these useful bags when we buy something, like a pair of shoes, etc. But the bad thing is that many people around the world think that these bags are useless. And some people even think that they're toxic. But the real truth is that these people are definitely wrong. Just take a look at the video to find out more about this. Well, yes, they're right when it comes to the toxic part. Why? Because they should not be consumed because of the silicon dioxide they contain. But these bags are not useless. You can use these bags for almost everything, and I really think that you'll be amazed when we tell you that these silica gels are extremely useful and they can restore your water-damaged phone. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this means one thing: the next time you buy something, you shouldn't throw away the silica gels, not yes. You should keep the bag, which has light yellow or white granules. The silica gel bags are harmless and they're used to maintain freshness. They are meant to keep away the moisture from damaging the product during storage. Here are a few great home uses of silica gel bags. 1. Restore your water-damaged phone. As we mentioned before, you can use the silica gels to save your cell phone, and it's very simple. Here's what you need to know. Well, in case you drop your phone in water, just put a few of silica gel bags around it and it will dry up in no time, because the silicon dioxide absorbs the water. This way, you can use your phone again without any problems. 2. Put them in your wardrobe. Did you know that you can put silica gels between your clean clothes to make your clothes smell fresh? How this works? Well, the silica gel bags will make your clothes smell fresh, for a long time. The silicon dioxide will prevent and neutralize moisture. 3. Keep your workout gear dry. It's very simple, you just have to put a few silica bags in your gym bag. The gym bag absorbs moisture from our wet clothes, allowing bacteria to develop and spread in this humid environment. Silica gel bags will absorb that moisture, leaving the bag clean and free of bad odor and bacteria. 4. Prolong the shelf life of your makeup. Well, yes, and one more thing, you can also use the silica bags to save your cosmetic products. So, if you want your cosmetic products to last longer, you need to save them from moisture. Just add a silica gel bag in the makeup case, and the problem is solved. That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, we really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a nice day.
This ingredient will cure your eye problems naturally, and improve your eyesight. Our eyes are the most important sensory organ in the body. They occupy a big part of the brain, and are responsible for transmitting visual images from the environment. However, this sensory organ is very delicate and also one of the first systems to start failing over age. Short-sightedness, farsightedness, blurred vision, halos, macular degeneration, and cataract are some of the most common vision problems which are treated with either surgery or by wearing eyeglasses and lenses, which allows people to see clearly. However, you should know that all these problems can be treated naturally with only one ingredient. How to fight visual problems naturally? A sedentary lifestyle, unhealthy diet, alcohol abuse, smoking, nutritional deficiencies, and other factors all play a part in the degradation of your eyesight. Changing your habits and lifestyle can help treat and prevent the problems, but there are some natural remedies that can also help. Take aloe vera for example. This amazing plant has numerous health benefits, and is often a part of different homemade remedies. The gel of the plant can be taken orally, or applied topically to treat various skin disorders, and other health problems. The gel has also shown that it can treat vision problems. Just extract it from fresh aloe leaves, then mix it in a blender along the leaves, and take the drink 3 times a day before meals, to improve your eyesight and treat all vision problems. Repeat the process every day, and the gel will provide your eyes with nutrients, and maintain your ocular health. You will never throw away banana peels after watching this. Human beings consume billions of bananas each year, making this peculiar yellow fruit one of the most popular foods in the world. However, those billions of bananas we eat result in billions of banana peels which are typically thrown away. Did you know banana peels make one of the best fertilizers out there? I didn't until I started researching it. Turns out, banana peels are a rich source of nutrients your plants crave: potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, along with a host of other minerals your plants need. Here are 6 ways to recycle your banana peels and never throw them away. 1. Compost. Probably the most popular and easiest use for banana peels is to mix them into the compost pile. Peels add potassium and phosphorus to compost, which promote root development and overall plant health when incorporated into garden soil. 2. Brew some compost tea. If you don't have a compost pile, you can still use banana peels to feed your garden. Simply drop a few peels into a bucket full of water and let it sit for a couple of days to make compost tea. Mix 1 part banana peel compost tea with 5 parts fresh water and feed this mineral-rich mixture to your plants about once per week in lieu of your normal watering. The added potassium and phosphorus will give your plants a boost to keep them growing strong. 3. Dried peel fertilizer. You can dry your banana peels and grind them into a fertilizer. If you only have a few peels to use up, but want to use them effectively on many plants, this is a great option. Add to your garden soil directly, either by sprinkling as a side dressing or gently incorporating into the dirt. 4. Create a banana peel spray. This spray is a fertilizer that also uses eggshells for a calcium boost and Epsom salt for magnesium. To create the fertilizer spray, you'll need banana peels, eggshells, Epsom salt, and water. Dry the banana peels and eggshells, then once they're dry, grind them together. Add the peels and shells to a spray bottle, along with the Epsom salt, and fill the sprayer to the top. Spray on your plants as needed. 5. Livestock feed. Humans are not the only ones who enjoy bananas. Livestock like chickens, rabbits, and pigs will enjoy ground-up dried banana peels added to their feed. Just make sure to clean the peels of any wax or pesticides before drying and offering them to pets or livestock. And 6. Create banana peel vinegar. Blueberries and other acid-loving plants will enjoy a treat of banana vinegar. Put your peels in a mason jar, and cover with enough water so they're submerged. Cover with cloth and rubber band or a loosely fitting top. Let the mixture sit for a week while the good bacteria does its job and unlocks the nutrients in the peel. After a week, remove the peels, and allow the water to sit, covered, until the mixture ferments into a vinegar. This can take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks, depending on conditions such as temperature. If the mixture seems especially potent, dilute it with water right before using so you don't accidentally burn your plants. Now, if you know any other uses of banana peels, please share them in the comments below. You will never throw away rice water after watching these 8 miracle benefits. Rice water can be said to be one of the best beauty secrets. For that reason, do not toss it when cooking rice, as it is rich in beauty minerals and vitamins that are very good for the skin and the hair. Here is how to prepare it. Take some organic rice and boil it in distilled water. Pour the excess water in a glass jar, cover it and store it in the fridge. Once you can use it for overall health, it is rich with 8 essential amino acids that help the muscles regenerate. Moreover, rice water provides with energy due to the high presence of carbohydrates. Eczema. Treat the affected areas with some cooled rice water. You should repeat the treatment for optimal results. Rice water offers starch components that are very effective for this condition. Shiny and smooth hair. Shampoo your hair properly and then apply rice water. Let it stay for a couple of minutes and then wash it off. The proteins will fill up the crack of your hair and it will have a perfect shine and smoothness. Acne healer. Apply rice water with a cotton ball on the affected area for outbursting acne and reducing inflammation. Skin irritation and inflammation. Prepare a good quantity of rice water and take at least 15 minutes bath in it 2 times daily. Any rashes or some other annoying skin irritations will be cured. Curing diarrhea, pour some rice water in a glass and apply a pinch of salt in it. Mix well and drink it during diarrhea. Skin toner, wash your face with water and dip a cotton pad in rice water, applying it over your face like a toner. The pores will be fixed and sparkle will be conveyed to your face. It can be used as a lotion and cell reinforcement, accompanying UV engrossing properties. With it you will not have any age spots, nor hyperpigmentation. Starch white clothes. Soak your white clothes in rice water diluted with some water. Let them stay for couple of minutes and then wash them off.